Steve or whatever. My name's Queen J. Alright, I'm gonna do this real quick. This is barely memorized. I'm kind of like Erykah Badu. I'm a little sissy, but I'm not shit. So respect my shit. That's all I gotta say. If you don't like it, then don't say shit. Alright, cool. So this poem is called Heather. You know, it's cool. You know, they say to perform to you guys. You know about that.
Flip-flap with Heather like a bird with lost feathers, trying to storm the weather with a broken wing. You see, when she came out of the egg, she was flat. Her yolk had been shaking and scrambled so good that when she was broke open and put on the frying pan, she was too well done for Sunday mornings. She couldn't sing hymns with the choir, shout with the flock, or amen with the preacher. Her head was a constant bop. And whenever the teacher on school days told her to stop, Heather put her hands on her ears and continued to rock herself into her dreamland. Her faulty wing had her broken, but she kept flip-flapping and shaking to a beat to keep living. See, she was like a shark in the ocean. If she stopped moving, she would suffocate. So flip-flap with Heather as she stormed the weather, trying to escape the hurricane that was her reality. See, she comes from a broken soul. Her mother was never home, so she spent most of her time on street corners.
Yeah, that shit real weak.
For Heather like a baby Halloween. See, this was Heather. This was Heather's mother's doing. When Heather and her mother were one, she entracted her womb with infected needles with the purpose of making Heather make an emergency exit. Then bump crack with Similac, then bump crack with it, then bump crack with Similac money. So when she had to nurse her baby, she had to do it with tears and poison tears and poison tears and poison milk. This was Heather's existence. One can't blame her for trying to escape. So every morning, Heather left tears and blood on the pavement, and each felt attempt to flight. Until one day, she stopped trying to take flight from the ground and started to leap from the sky, falling and flying with Heather. Because she thought that one day, the angels would come together. That was Heather. This one's called Barbie.